And everybody's looking at that, and it's really fun.
Yes, exactly. We should also point out that this is Montreal right now.
This is fucking bullshit.
Exactly, it's bullshit. It is snowing right now.
And he wears a shitty jersey.
He's from Montreal, and he says this is... I went to the game.
Go Pittsburgh. Go Pittsburgh.
He's a Penguins fan in Montreal. I went to the game. That's why I'm wearing this. I really don't follow hockey for all you Blackhawk guys out there. But, yeah, it's snowing like crazy. My balcony, you can tell. So, I may not be in as early tomorrow morning as I thought I was going to be. Hopefully, I can fly out of here. It is Quebec. They should be used to fucking snow by now. It's so goddamn funny. I got to get to work tomorrow.
That sucks, but it's the first snow, so...
I have to be at work. It's a major TV show. Major network television show. Goodbye.